there is also a data type called none. Now what this none means, we have talked about Boolean type. Okay, it is all true or false. Okay, it was launched by George Booley. If we have no other option other than true or false, we type here true. I will type here class 9. So it is also for the viewers who haven't seen the previous videos of the data types. If they are in search for none, they can also learn from here, class 9. Okay, and then other than that, since we were doing typecasting, we can also do here the type. Okay, with the same as, let's print it in the output, and as you can see here, we have here none and none type. Okay, so this is one of the data types. Best of luck.